IndianGoodShop.com, an online store that sells home and kitchen gadgets like sink organizers, manual whisks, air purifiers, and other cleaning tools. Sounds useful, right? But the big question is, can you really trust this website? Let's break it down together. And hey, just a heads up, this review is based on publicly available info, user reviews, and our own research. Please make sure to do your own checks too before making any decisions. Cool? Let's begin. First up, the domain age. We checked the COIS records and found that IndianGoodShop.com was registered in September 2024. That's less than a year ago. Now, while being new doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, it does raise some red flags. Most trustworthy e-commerce websites usually have a bit of history and customer feedback to back them up. With such a short track record, it's smart to approach with caution. Next, the product images. At first glance, they look great. Clean, professional, very polished. But when we ran a reverse image search on some of them, surprise! Many of these photos are copied straight from other websites. Yep, not original. And that's a big concern. Why? Because it makes you wonder, are the products even real? Or are they just using borrowed images to appear legit? Now let's talk about customer support. This one's disappointing. The only way to contact them is through a single email address. There's no phone number, no live chat, no real-time help at all. So if something goes wrong with your order, good luck trying to reach someone. That kind of setup just doesn't inspire trust. A real business should make it easy to help its customers, right? Moving on to the marketing tactics. Free shipping, extra discounts, 30-day returns, even free gifts if you prepay. Sounds too good to be true? Well, maybe it is. These kinds of offers can be super tempting, but they often work as traps to get you to buy fast, without thinking twice. And sadly, that's a trick many scam websites use. So always read the fine print, if there is any. Let's get to the user reviews. On their website, they proudly say they have over 50,000 happy customers, and every review is glowing. But here's the thing, they all kind of look the same. Same tone, same wording, almost like they were copy-pasted. To verify, we checked platforms like Trustpilot, and guess what? 0 reviews. Not a single one. The only real feedback we found was on their Facebook page, and it wasn't pretty. Customers are saying they ordered 2 items and only received 1. No response from the seller. No contact number. And some are even talking about filing a complaint with the cybercrime department. Yikes. So what's the final verdict? With all these red flags, a brand new website, copied images, no real customer service, too good to be true offers, and a flood of negative reviews from actual buyers. It really seems like IndianGoodShop.com is not a site you should trust. Honestly, it's better to stay away. Don't risk your money on a site that shows so many signs of being potentially fraudulent. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and scam alerts. Stay safe, shop smart.